All right, then we got this US General box. These are just a couple of extra ratchets, crescent wrenches. A bunch of screwdrivers. This is your punches, chisels, scrapers, etc., pry bars. Bunch of pliers. Some miscellaneous stuff for measuring and torquing. Got a pass-through socket set. That's just some old quarter-inch drive sockets, some trim tools. We got the cutting and drilling, drill bits, cloth wheels, right angle, drill adapter, hole saws. And on the bottom here, got a spring compressor, ball joint tool, a couple of wrecking bars, and some big standard wrenches back here. Some 3/4 drive extensions.